basement to herself?
Pretty much. If you close that upstairs door, she would just have the basement. If not, she's got the whole house.
I think, yeah, the door was shut.
Oh, we are finished now. You gotta check to see if my windows are rolled up.
Yeah.
After the last 2 nights of rain, I don't know if I left my window down or not.
Well, it may not
All
be
the way
raining
or
in
crack?
town, honey.
Mama? What'd you say, Ma?
It may not be raining in town.
Well, it did the first night we were up here.
Oh, did it rain that night?
Oh. Scared baby half to death.
Jacob, what are you doing? No. Someone forgot to zip that up, huh? Say, Dad, that you didn't zip it up. Come on, let's zip her hair up.
Oh, he did?
Zip her?